To fix a Ring camera that won't connect to Wi-Fi, start by restarting the camera and your router. This simple step often resolves connectivity issues. Unplug the power cord from the back of the camera and the router. Wait for 30 seconds, and then plug them back in. This will reset the devices and may establish a stable connection. Next, check your Wi-Fi network to ensure it is working properly. Try connecting other devices to the network to confirm that the issue is specific to the Ring camera. If other devices are unable to connect, the problem may be with your router or internet service provider. Ensure your Ring camera is updated with the latest software. Outdated software can cause connectivity issues. Open the Ring app, go to the device settings, and check for any available updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Check your Wi-Fi password and network name to ensure they are correct. If you have recently changed your Wi-Fi password or network name, you will need to update this information in the Ring app. Go to the device settings, select Wi-Fi settings, and enter the correct password and network name. If you are still having trouble, try moving the camera closer to the router to reduce interference from other devices. You can also try changing the Wi-Fi channel on your router to minimize interference from other devices on the same channel. Finally, reset the Ring camera to its factory settings. This will erase all settings and preferences, so you will need to set up the camera again. To do this, press and hold the setup button on the back of the camera for 30 seconds. Release the button and wait for the camera to restart. Then, open the Ring app and follow the prompts to set up the camera again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and connect your Ring camera to Wi-Fi. Remember to always check the Ring app for any available updates and to restart the camera and router regularly to maintain a stable connection.